bitsy spider went up the water spout.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
A banana slug is a large yellow slug that moves slowly. A banana slug eats strawberries, mushrooms, leaves, and dead plants and recycles them into the soil.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
The sun is a star that is very hot. Even though the sun is very far away from the earth, it gives us lots of heat and light.
And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Hi, nice to meet you.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Clouds are made of water. When a cloud gets too full of water, it rains.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Thanks for playing with me. A frog has very good eyesight. A frog's eyes are big and stick out the sides of its head.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
When a caterpillar is small and young, it needs to eat a lot to grow bigger. Oh, it's a beautiful butterfly. When a caterpillar gets bigger, it makes a pupa around itself. It stays inside for about 10 days. Then it becomes a beautiful butterfly. Oh, it's a beautiful butterfly.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Hey, what happened to me? The spider has 8 legs. The spider spins a web to catch insects for food.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
1,
Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
a frog has very strong back legs that help it jump far. A banana slug is a large yellow slug that moves slowly.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
Yummy!
And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
A plant needs lots of water and sunlight to grow. Hey, what happened to Mr. Snail? The snail has a soft...
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
The rain comes down on us and the ground. Later, the water will evaporate and go back up to the clouds again.
Down came the rain and washed the spider